What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video. Okay, so today's video is going to be on this eye look. I was debating whether or not I should post this look because even though I tried to get like burgundy vibes and gold, it still came off as a look that I did. Like, I don't know, or the colors, I don't know, y'all, but I just tried to do a look so that I can have shadow on for this foundation review. Other than that, it would have just been no shadow at all. However, if y'all like this look, and I probably might. I showed you how to apply bottom lashes as well. But if y'all like this look, let me know. Let me know if it looks similar. I don't know. It just looks so similar. I don't know, y'all. But if y'all definitely want to see how I achieve this eye look, it's only eyes. Then keep on watching. Hair and brows are snatched. If y'all haven't tried Smoothie King, try this smoothie called it's the pineapple turf or pineapple surf. Face is so smooth, it's shaved. It looks good. And we have new foundation to try out. I wasn't going to do an eye tutorial, but I'm like, you know what? Why not? So this video is going to be just eyes only. So if y'all want to know how to achieve an eye look like this, I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, but I just know I'm going for it. I'm going to go into a shade Rumor number 6 base. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is Rumor number 6 base, and I love to use this. I'm going to go into Rumor number 5 base. I'm trying to get these nails off right here, like Krusty Krab claws, but they not coming off for some reason. So back, I don't want to waste a lot of footage. I'm gonna be back when I apply the base. If y'all haven't seen how I applied eyeshadow base, then go check out previous makeup tutorials. But I'm about to apply this base so we can get started on putting the shadow on. I'm gonna go into this palette and I'm gonna take Reckless. So if y'all haven't watched the video of how to blend your shadow, it will be linked right here. So go ahead and look at it. Color, and I am packing it. But we're not doing I don't want to do much because this is a foundation tutorial. Well, I'm going to do a foundation tutorial. So I'm just giving y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a look though. Morphe 200 brush, and I'm going to go into this. What is this palette called? I'm going into the Love Tapes palette by P. Louise. Don't forget to use my code, y'all. If y'all haven't purchased anything from them and y'all want to check out on anything, use my code BMarie. It will be listed in the description below, so that y'all can use it. I'm going into the shade Cherish right here. Want that much of this color, so I'm going to use my 535 brush, and this is the big brush that packs out the shadow. So I'm basically going on top of that. Now I got that on. Y'all already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back in with each color, and I'll be back so we can apply the lid color. I add black on the outer V, just only on the tip parts of the eyelids. What I'm about to do is I'm about to apply more concealer. I mean, P. Louise base. Take my Morphe 332 brush. Then with was my Pat McGrath palette, And this is the Mothership palette. I think that's the name of it. So I'm gonna come back when it's time to do the under eyes, so you guys can see the under eyes. No, I love putting blue under my eyes. I don't know, it's just a sickening ass color. So I'm gonna take this one in the shade Sexy Chile. I think take Salty as okay. I'm thinking I'm just gonna put mascara under my eyes, so it wasn't no point of breaking my under eye. I love the rainbow. Just be like, no. That blue is saying enough for me. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna do it bottom lashes. So I'll show you how to apply bottom lashes. I'm thinking about doing bottom lashes. I don't know. So if y'all don't know how to apply bottom lashes, this is the time. I got me some Tati lashes. Tati Time Mitchell lashes, y'all. And get y'all some of these. These are the best way to apply bottom lashes. So what I'm gonna do is take the longest piece on this side, put some glue, and stick the first piece in the middle. That's how you apply them. This one I'm having trouble with because my lashes is like curling up, acting stupid. All right, so I'm gonna do my face and I'm gonna come back for the final finish look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this eye look. Don't forget to comment down below if y'all want me to try any colors or give me some color combinations. I might just pick one of you guys' color combos. Comment down below and let me know what you think I should try next. And if I like it, I'm gonna pick it. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And also share this video if y'all think this eye look was cute. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next eye makeup tutorial.